Hello everybody, and welcome back to my video log channel again. So here we are. This is something I'm quite excited about, actually, to see what these are like. Bought them the other day off eBay, and this says here it doesn't have the current rating. And it has the rated voltage 100 to 240 volts, working temperature 20 to 60 C, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigs, and the AC frequency 50 to 60. It says 4 pieces there, but I don't think there's 4 pieces in here. Now, it does say 4 pieces, doesn't it? Well, this is strange. I'm going to presume it works. Well, I don't know what it's going to work with, but this will work with Amazon. With Alexa, and look, 4 pieces, and not there's 2 pieces, but there's a little bit different. I've already got some of these. Yeah, this says green sun. I've already got some of these, but the difference with these ones is you have an app, or you can use Alexa, you know, for turning them on and off, or Google for turning them on and off. But the thing that makes these a bit different to the other ones that I have, because I use them, because behind my speakers is where the socket connector cable thing is for my amplifier and that, and so I just tell Alexa to, oh good, she didn't respond, to turn on and off the preamp and the power amp, and that's great. That is absolutely great, but these are slightly different. These do the same thing, but they've got built-in power meters. And so you get to see the amount of power that you're using, which is great, right? And so what we're going to do is I'm going to get my phone onto this. Oh, I'm using the phone, so we'll have to do a bit of a jump cut on that. Get my phone onto this and get the app in here so we can see then, because I want one of these on my bench. So, because it's supposed to be 16 amps, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it says here 16 amps, but let me have a look. Oh, it says here rated current on the back here as well. It also says that that's going to be 16 amps. That's good. Yeah, and so I can then just be lazy and just say, you know, that magic word, Alexa, and turn the bench off. I'll just call it the bench. Alexa. Right, she's lit up now, but it's all right. Turn the bench off. And then she'll say okay, and all the power will go off on the bench. Meaning, I mean, I won't do it when things are on, of course, but like all the power going through the things will go off on the bench. So let's just do a little jump cut then and let me get this thing. No, in actual fact, that's not going to work like that, is it? How am I going to show you it if I do it like that? So what I need to do then is just grab hold of my tablet and we'll do it from there. Okay, is it on? Oh, goodness. So we'll do a jump cut to it being powered on. Yeah, that's the tablet I got. It's an old one, but I love it. It still does everything I need it to. So let's have a look. Let's see if we can do this thing. So I've got the Speedy Bee thing on here. I don't know if I know how to do this. I think there might be something in here saying scan QR codes. Here we go. Well, it's going to tell me, in actual fact, straight away that it's no good because there we go, and I think that's because I need to have the Wi-Fi on. I can turn my location off, I suppose. We've got the Wi-Fi on. We'll probably have to do that again now. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so we're going to open the link. Alright. Google Play, lovely. Oh, 4.7, and you get to see on here, look, straight away, about this smart home dietary management, weight management. What on earth's going on here? It's supposed to be a power plug. Yeah, let's just install that. Oh, sign in, continue, VE Sync. Right, let's just get rid of this, and we'll just go through the app. Sometimes it's just easier to go like this. VESYNK. VE Sync, there we go. Let's go on to the app. Oh, Oh, here we are, 4.4. I was looking at that thing then. I wish you wouldn't do that, but never mind. I suppose it's one thing to keep you on your toes, isn't it? So look, 119 megabyte. This might be quite slow, so I'm just gonna skip forward. Well, hey, it's installing. Okie dokie. So let's do an open on there. Let's see what we got. Upgrade your home by transforming it into a fully connected smart home with VE Sync. Now, of course, I want to be able to use this with Google as well, so I'm hoping it's going to do that. Sign up or log in. Oh, don't you just hate doing all this signing up and logging into stuff? Right, let me quick do that then. I'm just going to do it here. Okay, so we've done our little sign up thing there, and we're going to add a device. So we're going to do a electricity Wi-Fi outlet smart plug. Nearby devices, go to settings. I presume this is going to be a Bluetooth thing, maybe. Position of nearby devices. Why not? Enable the access to click enable access. Turn on Bluetooth. We're going to turn on the Bluetooth then. Say allow. Turn on to Bluetooth. Now, allow location. Turn on location services. Click location data to scan nearby Wi-Fi networks and connect to your device. Go on then, why not? While using the app. Turn on local services. Location services. I presume that's on already, is it? Oh, there we go, location. Yep. Okay, so that would be nice if we just get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, and go back to that. Oh, we can probably get rid of that as well. Sorry, you're watching me do my cleaning up. Right, no devices found just yet. So let's see if I can just stick that like that. So I don't want it just to be completely off. Then again, I'm going to plug in a device. And get this, and as far as I know, you're supposed to just hold this in the side. Or it might just come up straight away, but we'll soon see. Yeah, it's flashing straight away. So it should be looking... Oh, right, it's already found it. I just plugged it in. Connecting your device. Now, because this is going to go through the Wi-Fi, yeah, this is something that I need to give this permissions now with this MAC address and stuff through my router. So I'm going to do a jump cut for that. I'm just going to do the one now. I'm going to do a jump cut load to give the permissions because I've got to log into my router. Okay guys, so something you need to bear in mind when you do this is, one, you need to set up through your router, of course, and you also need to have the device and your router and whatever you're setting up with pretty close to each other, so that will work. So now I've done that, it says your device is all set, go ahead and try it out. So I'm going to say okay, there we've got a third-party app, so I'm going to use Alexa. And what's it say here? Connect the various sync devices to Alexa for hands-free control. Sync your data to Alexa for quick search. Yep. Maybe add this with Alexa. What's this thing here? How much do I weigh today? How much? I wasn't even doing any of this. So what they're trying to say? Oh, connect. Duh. Maybe that's where we got it wrong. Right now I need to sign in with my Amazon thing. Let me just move out of the way for that. Okay, so now I've got a message come through my phone now to tell me that someone's just tried to sign into my account. VSync would like to access Alexa. We're going to say hello, allow.
Alarm for what time?
No, Alexa, no alarm.
Alarm for what time?
No, you're
having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
I don't want to.
Alarm for what time?
No alarm. Cancel the alarm.
No alarm has been set.
No alarm has been set. She's going off her rocker. All right, so we can see now what we get here. So we got voltage, energy in kilowatts, and power in watts. That's pretty cool. Down the bottom here we can schedule, we got a timer, inching, don't know what that means, and away. Inching, what does this inching mean? Alright, so inching mode means each time the device is turned on, it will automatically turn off after a period of operation. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? What else we got? Timer, what's this away thing? So, oh right, so you can turn things on and off while you're away. Well, that's pretty cool. And because you can access this through data as well, you know, the whole Alexa thing and everything, you can access it. You can switch it on and off while you're out. Alright, so let's plug something in. Well, what can I plug in? I've got it plugged in to a phone charger, but it's on one of those C charger things, and I don't... What's this got? This is 84%. Can we plug this in the bottom here? Let's see what happens. When we plug that on, then we're going to turn it on. Okay, and we can see the voltage. I'll try and do this in such a way now that the light isn't completely... There we go. So we got our voltage. I'm not sure if we're charging or not. Oh, power 2.1 watts up there, and then we'll have the energy over time. So now I should be able to say, Alexa, turn off the bench.
Okay.
I heard the darn thing click. Let's have a look at the side. Yep, the little blue light's gone out. Oh, there we go. So it takes a little bit of time before it comes on here. So, Alexa, turn on the bench.
Okay. By the way, I'm still learning about your plug. Is it connected to a light?
No, it's just connected to a phone charger at the moment.
Okay. If you decide to connect this plug to a light, you can change its settings in the Alexa app.
Okie dokie, thank you. It's weird, isn't it, talking to Alexa. Power 7.6 watts now going into this. And yeah, so that's the little bit of difference here with that. So what we got here? Device name, the bench, the icon is that, voice commands, Alexa turn off, Alexa turn on, device info, power monitoring settings, so energy saving mode, power protection mode. Oh, let's take that out of euros, and we're going to put this into Great British pounds. Now, to be something that can show you what it's going to be costing you, which is what I believe this can do, cost per kilowatt, here we go. So now I can put in my cost per kilowatt, and if I remember rightly now, because I've just moved from British Gas, from my electricity and gas, to Scottish Power, I'm now saving myself 4p a unit and 6p a day just on the electricity. So I'm going to go for 31 pence. So that should be 0.31 a unit. So we can say OK with that. And now this should not only be just telling me, it should be giving me my costs on what it's going to be actually costing me to be running this. So I'll be able to keep an eye on what my bench cost me, because the main bench cable comes in and starts connecting up to it all spurs off this one big 4-way, 8-way adapter, switchable, and then it comes onto some other adapters which plug in. You know, I've got this section of stuff on one, and then I've got my heating stuff, you know, the soldering lines and that on another, and lighting on another, and for doing the charging, that's up there. It's actually up there on the bench. That's on another one. But from the main plug going into the wall, that's where I'm going to put this, the bench unit, and I should hopefully be able to, yes, keep an eye on what it's actually costing as well. So, share device. What else can we share? Not shared with other users yet. Invite users. No, thank you. We go back to the power monitoring settings. What else? We got energy saving mode, power protection mode. Energy saving mode turns off your device when your maximum power consumption is reached. Alright. Power protection mode turns off your device when it falls below or exceeds your chosen power setting. So can I put that? Oh right, okay. Exceeds power setting. So I can get this then, let's say what we got here, 1 to 3,500 watts, 3.5 kilowatts. I can say then if it goes above, let's say 300 watts, then that would show an issue on the bench, possibly, and for it to switch off, which wouldn't be very handy really, especially if all the lights are connected to it as well. It just leaves me in darkness. But hey, that's a feature there. Energy saving mode, maximum power consumption. So yeah, so if I get up to a certain amount of power that I've used, let's say I only want to use maximum 1 kilowatt a day, then it can turn it off. But I'm not going to put that into play just yet. Now we can just have a little bit of a peek at the power. I had to do a little bit of a jump cut for a day or two, just because we don't know, what the actual power is doing on there. So at the minute, it's saying it's using 72 watts, which is the entire bench, because it's now plugged in to the bench, and that's what we're using. I've got the video editor on the go and stuff, so that's why it's got so much power there being used. But now we get to see where our power is being used. So you can see Friday, which was the day I started the video, we hardly used anything. So 0.0009 kilowatts. That's nothing really, is it? And then yesterday we were 0.1605 kilowatts. And then today we're using a bit more today, which is 0.2028 kilowatts. So say you find that, and down the bottom of there, you get your weekly total so far, how much it's cost me, which is 11 pence. The daily average, but we can't work out the daily average, so we've got like a week there at least. Come on. And at the top here, you've got that month, and the year even. So yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know what that's for. All right, that just puts us back into that mode there. I'm just going to say okay to all that. And then we'll just go backwards to go back out. I've not used anything else yet, the schedule or the timer or the inching. Just don't seem to be needing that at the moment. So there we go. This is a new type, or at least to me, and maybe to you guys, of being able to watch the power if you want to, switch on and off, obviously from using Alexa or using the actual tablet here on your phone, then connected to a network via your data on your phone or the Wi-Fi on a tablet. Depends how you've got yours connected up, but you still can do it like that. And I think that's pretty good. I don't think now I'm going to bother buying any more of because this is the same price. I think it's probably about an extra 15 or 20 pence. I can't remember. But what did I pay for these? I think I paid about £17 for two. So what's that work out to be? £8.50 each. £8.50 each. To just be able to switch them on and off. I mean, I know that seems a bit silly, really. Why would you want to pay £8.50 for an adapter? But look, you can switch them on and off, and you can also see exactly what's drawing what current. So let's say I put this one for my TV in my bedroom. At least then at night I can just tell my Echo thing in there. I turn the telly off. Yeah, and it just switches it off just as I'm falling asleep. Falling asleep. Oi, Echo, turn the telly off. Clink, and it all goes off. Brilliant. Anyway, that's that for that, guys. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.